The excitement surrounding the Nothing Phone 3 has reached a fever pitch, and it's not without reason. Reports are abuzz with claims that Nothing is working on not just one, but 3 new devices, all currently under active development. This means fans of the brand have a lot to look forward to. Renowned tech insider Yogesh BR has confirmed that the company is in the advanced stages of developing 3 new phones, sparking curiosity and speculation. These devices are expected to make their debut in the first half of 2025, ensuring an exciting year ahead for Nothing enthusiasts. The centerpiece of this excitement is undoubtedly the much-awaited successor to last year's model. True to the brand's innovative spirit, leaks suggest that the new device will retain Nothing's iconic transparent design while taking hardware performance to the next level. A recent Geekbench listing has revealed a device with the model number A059, which is widely speculated to be the upcoming Nothing Phone 3. The listing showcases impressive benchmark scores: 1,149 in single-core tests and 2,813 in multi-core tests, pointing to a device built for high performance. It's rumored to be equipped with an octi-core Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset, paired with an Adreno 810 GPU and a robust 8 GB of RAM. Adding to the intrigue, another leak hints at the possibility of multiple RAM configurations, catering to a broader range of user preferences and needs. Fans are eagerly awaiting more details as the launch date draws closer. But that's not the end of the revelations. According to a tweet by Ravi Kumar, recent Geekbench listings have provided some fascinating insights into the specifications of the highly anticipated devices. One of the models is rumored to be equipped with the powerful Snapdragon 8's Gen 2 chipset, known for its impressive performance and efficiency. Meanwhile, another variant, most likely the Pro version, is expected to feature the advanced MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor, further raising expectations for its capabilities. The Pro variant appears to have 2 intriguing code names, a 059 and a 059P, indicating potential variations within the lineup. Interestingly, this variant, also referred to by the codename Hisuian, could come with a larger 6.7-inch display, offering more screen real estate compared to the base model. The base version, codenamed Arcanine, is rumored to sport a slightly smaller yet still generous 6.5-inch screen. Additionally, both models are expected to retain the sleek and minimalistic Nothing OS, now built on the latest Android 15 platform, ensuring a refined and up-to-date user experience. Another notable detail has emerged from the IMEI database, where the model numbers a 059 and a 059P were recently listed, further validating the existence of both standard and plus versions in the development pipeline. Reports also suggest that these devices will feature top-tier displays, with the base model likely offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, delivering seamless visuals and enhancing the overall user experience. The excitement doesn't stop with these 2 devices. Speculation hints at the development of a third handset, which could serve as a more cost-effective option within the lineup. This rumored device might fall into the mid-range category, positioned below the flagship and Pro variants to attract a broader audience. Some whispers even suggest the possibility of a lighter version tailored for budget-conscious buyers, potentially carrying a name like 3A or something along those lines. If the leaks hold true, the series appears set to remain loyal to its signature design philosophy. The iconic transparent aesthetic, which has become synonymous with the brand, is expected to make a comeback. There's also chatter about innovative features such as glowing-in-the-dark elements, which could elevate the design, though these details are still purely speculative at this point. On the hardware side, the rumor mill is working overtime with reports of exciting new features. One notable leak from Digital Chat Station points to the inclusion of an action button, a feature that could bring enhanced customization options for users. While this remains unconfirmed, it has already sparked significant interest among fans and tech enthusiasts. Additionally, the brand appears to be prioritizing a well-rounded combination of powerful hardware and optimized software, aiming to deliver high performance while staying true to its distinctive aesthetic identity. Shifting our focus to artificial intelligence, the company's co-founder, Carl Pei, has hinted at a groundbreaking smartphone experience that will be deeply enhanced by smarter AI-driven interactions. While the exact details are still being kept under wraps, this could signify the introduction of advanced software capabilities designed to work seamlessly alongside the hardware. Pei has highlighted that achieving this level of integration is crucial, which is one of the main reasons the launch of their primary flagship device has been pushed back to 2025. The delay underscores their commitment to delivering a product where AI features are not just included but perfectly integrated. Regarding the launch schedule, various reports indicate that all 3 devices are likely to be unveiled during the first half of 2025. The base model is rumored to carry a price tag of approximately $599, while the Pro variant could be available at a slightly higher price point of $699. If a mid-range or budget-friendly version is part of the lineup, it is expected to have an even lower price, potentially making it a compelling choice for budget-conscious consumers. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications to stay updated on all the latest news.